This is a factory. Humans take a lot of effort to get coal, even going so far as to go over 200 feet under the ground to mine it out. But what is it actually used for? How do power plants take this dirty piece of coal and turn it into energy?
Fossil fuels are used to power most things on Hawaii. Oil-generated electricity is the most common energy source, and petroleum fuels run all kinds of vehicles. However, there are many problems with fossil fuels.
See the black plume rising from the planet, poisoning the Earth with its carbon dioxide-rich output? All it does is take away from more resources from the Earth, wasting non-renewable
This contribute to global warming and climate change, world movements that will turn Earth into a living hell. Sea levels rising, habitats getting destroyed, the global food web becoming undone at the seams. These are only some of the consequences of using these pollution plants for energy.
Is there an alternative energy source that's viable, clean, and plentiful? Is there another way to power plants? Well, the solution is in the word itself, power plants.
This is a simple sugarcane. His name is Bert. He is clean and tidy, unlike those pieces of coal. Not only used for making sugar, his residues, called bagasse, can be used for energy. Actual energy to light homes and turn on kitchen ovens. This type of energy source is called biomass.
It includes all organic matter found in that area, such as wood, animal and human waste, and other agricultural residue. What happens is that biomass gets put into a boiler, which directly combusts the material. Other processes that could be used are
1. Gasification, which produces a synthetic gas with usable energy content by heating the biomass with less oxygen than needed for complete combustion. 2. Pyrolysis, which yields bio-oil by rapidly heating biomass in the absence of oxygen. This is used in boilers and furnaces. And 3. Anaerobic digestion, which produces a renewable natural gas when organic matter is decomposed by bacteria in the absence of oxygen. Very wet wastes, such as animal and human feces,
Now what makes
are
biomass
used
so
during
great?
this process.
For one, it's renewable, exactly what we need in this world full of demand. Its dispatchability rate is excellent, meaning it's controllable and available when needed. Similar to fossil fuel electric.
Using biomass as a primary energy source can even reduce waste. Since
Don't
the
feel like
food
eating
and
all of that
agricultural
hamburger?
waste and garbage we
That's
throw out
okay.
can be used
Just throw it into a boiler and turn it into energy instead. Have leftover Chinese takeout? Not a problem. Boiler, combustion, done. Who knew waste could be used so efficiently and cleanly? Of course, since the process of producing energy from biofuels involves combustion, it will produce carbon dioxide, contributing to global warming. The biofuels need to be procured, delivered, stored, and paid for as well, and the cost of building such a power plant might not be worth as much as the amount of energy produced by the plant. The availability of certain biofuels may be in danger in the near future as well, with what climate change problems we have in the world. Loss of agricultural plants and aquatic animals due to sudden spikes in temperature change and water acidity.
Other agricultural crops. There is plenty of biomass to use for energy. For one, sugar canes leave behind a dry, pulpy residue once all the juice is extracted, called bagasse. This can be used in a way that's similar to wood being burned for heat and energy production. Corn and other feedstock can be used to bank biofuels, useful for powering automobiles. Furthermore, the amount of carbon dioxide given off when biomass
Power from the plants.
Why import other territories' fossil fuels when Hawaii is their own renewable, eco-friendly source?
This will cut down import costs and help Hawaii's woodcutting, agriculture, and manufacturing.
No more coal, oil, petroleum, or gas, just biomass.
Power of the poop.
Power of the plants. Now that's